Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create this trending microwave twixter with rotation zooms. First of all, align your clips and enable motion blur for all of them. Now pre-compose your clips one by one. Add Twixter Pro to your clips. Set the frame rate to 23.976 and copy my Twixter settings. Now we'll add speed keyframes. Set the starting keyframe to 150 and the ending keyframe to -150. Easy ease the keyframes and follow my graph. Your microwave twixter is ready. Now let's add rotation zooms. Now add the blur more curves effect. Create Z dist keyframes for the zooms. Set the starting value to 1 and the ending value to 1. Add the middle keyframe something like this and set it between 0.700 to 0.800. Easy is the keyframes and copy my graph. Change wrap X and wrap Y to reflect. Now we will add rotation keyframes. Set the starting value to -10 and the ending value to 8. Easy is the keyframes and copy my graph. If you want to apply this effect to other clips, just copy both effects and paste them onto your clips. Also adjust the keyframes according to each clips. Click on the blur more curves effect and set the center XY to your character's nose, just like I am doing. You can also reverse the rotation if you want. Select the keyframes. Go to keyframe assistant and choose time reverse keyframes. You can do this for all your clips. And that's it. Your trending microwave twixter with rotation zooms is ready. Let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. See you in the next tutorial. Thank you.